The setas al ajillo couldn't be more simple. Just mushrooms, garlic, parsley, lemon, and we need a little dash of white wine. So I'm gonna put some oil in the pan, probably like 3 tablespoons. Should cover the bottom of the pan. So we'll be heating that while we get everything else ready. It can be chopped pretty coarsely. I already have lemons ready to squeeze, and I'll get some wine. While I'm waiting for the oil to heat on high, I'm gonna squeeze the lemons here in case the pits come through. I like to do it into a little bowl. Full lemon. So I'm gonna put the garlic in first. Let it fry a little. You don't really want it to brown, so I'm gonna hold it up off of the heat. And I'm gonna throw the mushrooms in. I'm not gonna do too full. Trying to cover the mushrooms with the oil and the garlic. Want them to cook evenly. If you feel like there's not enough oil, it's okay to just pour a little bit on top. Let that sit for a bit. So you want all the liquid from the mushrooms to cook off, and hopefully it'll start browning a little bit. I'm going to add a small chili pepper to give it some heat. Just put the seeds in, break it up a little bit. See how they're browning nicely? And at the last minute, I'd say about 2 tablespoons of white wine. Let that cook off a little. Smells so good. When that's cooked off, we'll add the lemon juice. And it should be ready. Taste it to see if you have enough salt. And it's all set. So this can be a dish that stands alone, or you could put it on a tosta with a tomato or on top of the tortilla.